People flex their credit score like it's a bank account balance. But a high score doesn't mean you're rich, it means you're good at borrowing. I remember checking mine for the first time and feeling proud. 700 something felt like I unlocked a secret level. So I did what everyone does and opened more accounts. More cards, a car loan, phone payment plans. My score went up, but my bank account went down. Every single month I felt more stressed. On paper, I looked successful, but real life felt heavy. Here's the real truth. Credit scores were never made for you. They were made for banks to rank how profitable you are. You're not graded on wealth, you're graded on risk. That's when I stopped obsessing over the number. I focused on building real money first. Savings gave me more peace than a high score ever did. I stopped opening random accounts I didn't need. I started paying balances weekly to stay aware. I built cash before I built credit. Credit became a tool, not my lifestyle. The goal isn't good credit. The goal is freedom.